Hi everybody, my name is Brian Taylor, registered dietitian with Hillsborough County Department of Aging Services. And today I have Taylor's top 10 foods to keep in your pantry at all time for maximum health and wellness. Number 1, dried or canned beans. Number 2, nuts, seeds, or nut butters like peanut butter. Number 3, whole grains, whole grain pasta, brown rice, quinoa. Number 4, frozen vegetables. Number 5, garlic and onions. Number 6, eggs. Number 7, rotisserie chicken. Number 8, canned tuna chicken, canned salmon. Number 9, green leafy vegetables. And number 10, Greek yogurt. To find more information, log on to the county website, hcflgov.net.